and welcome to ToyBoxMagic. Today we are opening a ginormous Monster High Play-Dough egg. There's all kinds of cool surprises inside. Okay, let's get started now. We worked so hard on this Play-Dough egg. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what should we pull out first? Look, it's a Monster High toothbrush. That's what I wanted. Okay, here it is. This is how it works. What should we pull out next? Oh, cool! We got a Monster High doll! Pull her from the package. Okay, here she is. Her name is called Frankenstein, and she has gold hair. Okay, next let's open. This is Laguna and Draculara, part of the Monster High Gold. Laguna dies, and Draculara this always stays cute. Okay, now let's open this. Okay, it's Monster High body glitter, and I think you use it on your body, and it makes it sparkly. And here it is, guys. And I forgot to show you what kind of characters you can get. Okay, you can get Claudine Wolf, Frankenstein, Abby, and there's Laguna Blue, and there's Dracula. Those are all the characters you can get. Okay, what should we open now? Okay, you want me to open this? Okay. Here's Claudine Wolf, and she has gold hair with brown hair. Let's go to her right there. Last, we have these Monster High erasers, and they look like lipstick. You can change up the colors. Watch this. You can do pink there. Got the pink, and ta-da! This is Frankenstein, and this is Dracula. You can just take a pencil and scoot up the color. Oh, they went all over the place. Okay, there's pink, blue, green, yellow, and purple. So these are all the colors you get. Okay, this is all the stuff we got are super cool Monster High egg. We got these Monster High dolls, Dracula, a Monster High doll, and Laguna doll. And we got this body glitter, which shows sparkles on her skin. These two Monster High lipstick erasers. These figurine dolls, and a toothbrush. The Monster High brush is so cute. Like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching our videos. Hi guys, and welcome to ToyBoxMagic. Today we are opening a ginormous Monster High Play-Dough egg. There's all kinds of cool surprises inside. Okay, let's get started now. We worked so hard on this Play-Dough egg. Okay, let's get started. What should we pull out first? Look, it's a